Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're just going to see about a super minimal Android launcher setup like this. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So download the Highland launcher home screen from the Play Store first, and you can just get this exact theme setup or launcher setup on your mobile phone. Super minimal look. You can find an image on the top, followed by some codes, and followed by the weather widget, followed by the calendar and search widget. In the bottom section, you can find a colorful gradient icon pack, which actually looks so great. So in the second page, you can find some of the applications like this and have a big folder with the same icon pack which follows the theme. So you can just place wherever you just need it by long press on the apps, and you can just do it. So to get this theme, you just need to do something. So just click on these are the app drawer, and just going to show how to get into the theme. So you can see the app drawer also following the same super colored pattern. So to get this theme, click on the app launcher setting on the home screen. Just click on the setting option on the bottom, then click on the theme section and just swipe down. You can find this theme on the theme number 9 and just apply theme. You can get this theme. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful and most beautiful day ever.